Okay, now let's make a very easy and quick heart. Let's start with magic ring. Chain 4, 1, 2, and 3 and 4. And then let's going to make 3 treble crochet. That's yarn over, pull through 3, 1, 2, and 3. So let's bend, turn twice and then pull through 3, 2, and then 3 treble crochet. Now let's make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Next is we're going to chain 1 and then 1 treble crochet and pull through 3, 1, 2, and 3, and then 1 chain, and then let's going to make a 3 double crochet. 1 and 2 and 3 and 3 treble crochet. It's going to turn 2 and then pull through 3 treble crochet. 1, 2, 3, 1 treble, and then this is the second, 3, and then third, and then we're going to make 4 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then slip stitch inside the magic ring. Chain 1 and then cut the yarn, and then the tail in the back of the magic ring, we're going to pull it to close the circle, and then it will form a heart. To secure, just tie the both tails. Just tie it like this. So you tie it tightly and then cut the yarn. And that's it. You have a heart. It's very quick and easy. Thanks for watching.